Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. Do you know CapCut has a new freeze frame feature? With this feature, make you easy to make a freeze frame clone effect. Now, I will show you how to do that. First, open the CapCut apps and click new project. Add the video that you want to freeze frame, this one, and click add at the bottom. Now you just click on the video and in the bottom you can swipe until you can see style, this one, and click on it. In here you can see freeze frame 1, this one, and this is freeze frame 2. In freeze frame 1, the person on the video will follow the freeze version of herself. On the contrary, freeze frame 2, she will leave the frozen frame behind like this. I will show you. This is the freeze frame 1. This is the freeze frame 1 like this. And this is the freeze frame 2. You can choose freeze frame 1 or freeze frame 2, but in here I wanna choose the freeze frame 1, this one, and you just click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to make a video with new feature auto freeze frame effect. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.